Alright. What's the word, guys? Remember when I said this? If you guys have scat side skirts, come and fuck with me. So guess who tapped in? Your boy Fastlifenick tapped in with your boy. He was like, I got the Scatpack Sideskirts for you. So guess what? That's actually him right there. I told him I'm on the way already. I'm lying. Nigga, I'm about to be late as shit. But anyways, he about to give your boy the Scatpack Sideskirts. So I can stop looking like that, looking raggedy and shit. But then again, it's also go get this motherfucker a different type of look. We about to head down Far West and pull up and go grab those. So yeah, let's get it. You finally ain't looking raggedy no more.
You got my boy right. You got clips?
Hell no.
Yeah, I would just wait till you get home, nigga, make sure everything.
Yeah, I don't want that bitch to fall off again.
Put some nice ass clips in here, nigga. If you have to, zip tied, nigga, what you call that? Self-tap on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a hell of them bitches in there. I got some miscellaneous ones too.
Put wheel wells in too. I'm telling you, that's gonna make it stay on there. If you don't, that shit's flying off, bro. That shit flew off?
Oh yeah, that shit flew off because I ain't had no fender on here for a minute.
Yep, you need to put the fender wheel straight.
I need to get this painted again. And then fucking, man, I did all this shit myself. So alright, man. Shit, I got a mile back, 40 minutes back to the east. You already know how this shit go. This bitch hard off the red, black, and blue.
You know, so when I thought it wasn't gonna look that good once I did it.
On some Superman shit. Some dark Superman shit. Wanna hear it? Let me hear that motherfucker with a video. Man, what's the word, y'all? So y'all ain't seen me since I sold. I ain't sold nothing since I got sold them side skirts by Nick. So I ain't picked up the camera since then. I'm not gonna lie. Since that day, this camera ain't touched my hand. Well, it ain't been turned on, but right now they got the grass and cruise going on. So niggas just on grass shit, showing out their whips. Really a lot of old ass cars, like from the 1800s type shit, 1900s, you know what I mean? So we about to go flash our whip too. I'll show y'all what's to it, but ain't nothing to do it than to do it. Oh God. All that shit on there. There's the Hellcat Rango. Everybody gone for it, but now shit ain't shit going on. I mean, there was some bystanders, but nothing for real. I left my camera at home earlier, bro. Damn. Charles spanking that bitch. I'm gonna get hit. Scared. Bro, not for hire. To change, everybody know my name. I guess I got a short to the game. I'm on that good. Good fuck, buddy. You know, that bit crazy. Yo, what's the word, y'all? Another video. So right now, we hot as fuck. Again, bro. It's 90 something degrees out here in Michigan. Detroit. 90 something degrees, bro. We ain't got time for this shit, bro. I told y'all, bro. I'm not about to keep doing these videos and I'm hot as hell. But here I am again. So, Fastlifenick Blue. And then, you know what I'm saying, a lot of other people, but Fastlifenick and Blue, it's really for Blue. Fastlifenick and Blue, they throwing a meet. Your bro just take his shirt off. The nigga who putting the gas in that bitch just took his shirt off. Nigga, that's how you know it's getting crazy out this bitch. I can't stop sweating no matter if I got the air on or not. My shit blow cold, but this bitch not holding that AC. Shit. I just threw a 40 banger in this bitch. But hopefully we get that call. Bro. 500 views on me just putting my car back together, so I appreciate y'all for real. But ever since then, niggas just been out the way. So it's hot as hell. Not everybody want to have something to do. So we doing something. People been texting me like, Drake, drop. We waiting on you. We waiting on Tone. We waiting on Speed. All right, let's get it. Oh my God, here go the boys. That nigga gave me a fat ass ticket. That nigga gave me 4 tickets, bro. That nigga who just rode past, he gave me 4 tickets. Man, when I tell you I was mad as fuck, 4 tickets and he towed my car. Yeah, alright. We pulling up. Look, we see y'all real. I ain't know it was space down here. Shit.
I ain't even know.
I ain't see all that. I just seen a whole bunch of random niggas looking at me. I'm like, damn.
Shit over here.
Where?
Right there.
Damn, bro.
Might as well pull up down here for you. Pull up. Rev your shit.
We can rev at this bitch? Alright, hell no. They gonna kick me out. I ain't heard nobody rev this bitch yet. What's the word, my boy?
Good.
Me and my guy did 1 million views. Yeah, you ain't see it? No, yeah, that bitch did 1 million.
Your shit so nasty, bro.
Bro, it's down there, man. Bro, I feel like my shit look off now. I'm about to move it down here so everybody keep telling me. I swear to God, bro. I just rinsed this bitch off. That ain't do shit. And this rag I got in my hand ain't doing shit. Alright, man. I gotta move my shit down here. You know what I'm saying? Tone, where your shit at?
Back there, behind,
We got oldie shit. We got oldie shit. We got ant shit. Got my nigga right here. Damn, I ain't know he got the coil packs and shit on this bitch. Alright, nah. See? Y'all go back on my last video when I went hoodless. What happened? Same piece came off. That shit hard though. He just had this bit for a minute. Straight shit. Neat. Alright. Bro, this nigga Speedy right there. He got a big ass embroidery sweater on.
Don't let no dirty with the Yeezy, right? That's bad.
Yeah, hell no.
That's bad. Look, vlog, we gonna come 300 motherfuckers right there. Another 300 motherfuckers. Got another one ducked off back there. Okay. got a whole bunch of gas and cats right there.
Real.
We got Cooking himself. Yeah.
I said that sign.
Word, my guy.
We got Cooking himself. We got all tight, all fast shit lined up. He don't even want to fuck with us today. We just out here having fun, yo.
I got insurance today.
They can't fuck with me. I got good ass insurance.
Asked that nigga Speedball why he wearing a sweater today. Why you wearing a sweater today, nigga? What's the word with you, my guy?
Good.
Hell yeah. Who won? Say bye. You known for lying and shit, bro. Damn.
Oh, that
Nigga done up to 20, boy. Yeah, we ain't gonna say too much about that. Nah, they done got the food truck out this bitch too. Hell yeah.
What up, Lord?
Word, man. My guy, oh.
Yeah. Real
I'm tuned in, man. I'm tuned in.
You want to your shit?
Huh? Hell yeah. I'm about to throw that cam on my shit. Hey, we both throwing superchargers on that shit?
Yeah, not right now. I'm about to wrap my shit.
It's cool. I'm just gonna be leaving your ass.
Fake supercharged ass nigga. I'm going cam and 6 folklore, that's it. Be safe with this shit. Type shit.
Cam and what, manifold? And 6-4 manifold?
Mm-hmm.
You can get that bitch ported and you'll make way more power. Yeah, port the manifold. When they just basically allow more airflow to go through it, so they basically make the hose bigger inside it, like the airflow. Basically like the same thing with the long tubes and shorties and shit.
Oh, I was gonna
It's broke. I hate broke niggas, man. What you mean? No, you just draw your shit all the way to where?
Atlanta. South Carolina. Nigga, my shit got the coupe.
Let me see if this shit sound like mine. We got the same setup. Should I start my shit? Press it a little bit. Press it. What's wrong with you, bro? You doing some bullshit. Where that booty suit at? Where that booty suit? Nigga done dished that bitch.
I don't got that. That wasn't right.
Nigga dished that bitch right in the A.
That wasn't my shit, man. Other niggas rolling around the 8, 10,
Man. Dog, bro, ain't no fucking way, bro.
First thing I wake up and see is this nigga with a BBL on.
That's the first thing I see before I go to sleep.
I woke up, I'm like, man, what the fuck?
Bro, I'm gonna insert that shit. This nigga went to ATL and put on the booty suit. He did some numbers off that shit though.
They took my shit down.
They did? Damn, bro, they took my nigga shit down. It's cool, we can create some shit. Told you, me and Lee did 1 million views.
Yeah, I seen that. So check this.
Look at that shit, bro. The nigga went and grabbed the BBL. Nigga went and grabbed the ATL.
Nigga trying to put that bitch on my ass right now. I don't got it on right now,
Bro, I don't think y'all understand how many cars here, bro. I'm about to show y'all. We get all angles. Didn't you say no burnouts?
That bitch ain't hot like a cat.
Damn, something else spanking up the block. Five seven activities. Hey, those performance coil packs you got on your shit? Those performance coil packs you got on your shit?
I think so. I just ordered them. That bitch was like $250. I just ordered them.
I'm about to order the orange ones.
The orange ones? It was I forgot what that was. It was
Let me get you an apple.
Thank you. 2 chicken.
Here you go.
Appreciate you. I got 2 chickens. Now, what if they hit this bitch on my hand while I'm walking past the rim? Should it be different? Boy. Hell yeah. What's the word, brother? They got the limit. We about to squeeze them bitches on there. Oh shit. This is my guy Trey. Still got a little lemon juice on my shit. My fault, bro.
You good, bro. Trey shot that. You good.
Hell yeah. Tap in with my guy, for sure. Alright, bro. I just got down and dirty with them tacos. I ain't gonna sit here and be one of them ham ass niggas and say them bitches wasn't decent. I swear to God, bro. If you damn near a fat black nigga, you knew not to come out this bitch without a rag, bro. Bro, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Oh my God, there's something down there. Alright, man. I'm about to dip out of this bitch.
Oh, that's.
Huh?
Oh, that dipping. Alright, gang.
Man, it's too hot out here, bro. Oh, I can go straight forward.
Locked in, pull up land in that whip, you gon' get boxed in. Never pressed by the bitch, I hit niggas top 10s. On my way back to the city, bitch, I gotta clock in.
I mean A at the O, yeah, we drop about 10. Freaky bitches at the DMB, I want the best friend. Say you wanna have fun.